Good morning, students. Today we will continue civics lesson institutional representation of democracy. In the previous video, we have studied about universal adult franchise. So now, next point, that is elections. So what is elections? In the representative democracy, people have the right to choose their representatives to run the affairs of the state. So, however, in some countries, elections are held which cannot be called real democratic elections. In some communist countries, only one candidate is sponsored by the party, and the citizens are asked to vote in favor of or against that candidate. So, no other candidate is allowed to contest election against him. So, an election is a contact organized between different political parties for getting people's support. The party which gets the support of the largest number of people comes to power and forms the government. So, this is about the elections. So, now, what are the main features of a democratic election? Let us see one by one. First one, every adult citizen should have a right to vote. Everyone should have one vote and each vote should have an equal value. Second, elections must be free and fair. People should be able to elect representatives of their choice. Third one, there must be some competition between candidates and political parties. Voters should have some choice. Parties and candidates should be free to contest elections. Next one, election must be held at a regular intervals after every 5 years. So these are the main features of a democratic election. Next we see secret ballot, how the elections will take place. So in India, elections are held by a secret ballot. Nobody except the voter himself can know in favor of which candidate he or she has voted. A ballot paper has the names of the candidates printed on it. So the representative symbols of candidates are printed alongside their names to help illiterate voters to identify the candidates to cast his vote. A voter stamps a mark on the symbols of the candidates of his choice, folds the ballot paper and puts into the ballot box. Here you can see it. So this is the box, ballot box. On an EVM means electronic voting machine. There are switches, each with a name and symbol of a candidate printed alongside. To cast his vote, a voter presses the switch next to the name of the candidate of his choice. Only the voter knows which candidate he or she has voted for. So this is called voting by secret ballot.